Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all in the Maths online classes class. I hope you all have enjoyed your summer vacations very well. You enjoyed so much. Now let us revise the chapter 1. Now this is study time class and we will start the revision of chapter 1, that is integers. Okay class? Okay. Now class, what are the integers? As I told you earlier, integers are the set of whole numbers and their opposites. What does this mean? This means the set of negative numbers, 0 and positive natural numbers. Right class? So what are the examples? -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These all are said to be the integers. Now see class, -3 is the opposite of 3, right class? Means if we are representing the direction, the distance moved in the east direction by 3, then how we will represent the distance moved towards west? Means in the opposite direction by -3 means the negative sign shows the direction. Means if we are representing the height above the sea level by positive number, we will represent the height below the sea level by the negative integers class. Get it class? Also if we are showing the profit by the positive number, then loss is to be indicated by the negative numbers. So we need both the numbers. The value of the negative numbers is always less than 0. So whenever we have to represent any value which is less than 0, we put the negative sign, as in case of temperatures class. Get it everyone? Now see here class, the 1 is the smallest positive integer, but -1 is the greatest negative integer. Class, as I told you earlier, as we go towards the right direction, the value becomes greater. It increases, the value increases as we go towards the right. Means आपका 3 जो है 2 से लेफ्ट राइट साइड में है, तो 3 की वैल्यू 2 से बिग होगी. सेम वे एज वी गो टूवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट, द वैल्यू गेट्स स्मॉलर. So -3, in case of 2 and 3, the 3 is the greater number and 2 is the smaller number. But in case of -3 and -2, which number is big? The bigger number is -2. -2 is greater than -3. -3 की वैल्यू जो है वो स्मॉल होगी -2 से. Get it class? Okay. Now let us revise some rules of the addition and subtraction. Remember class, always whenever in the question the sign of the numbers if same, means if both the numbers are positive or both the numbers are negative, what you will do there, you have to add the numbers without the sign. आप दोनों नंबर्स को प्लस करेंगे, ऐड करेंगे विदाउट द साइन. देन विच साइन यू हैव टू पुट? ऑलवेज द साइन ऑफ द बिग नंबर. विदाउट साइन जो भी नंबर आपका बिग होगा, मीन्स पॉजिटिव नंबर बिग होगा तो पॉजिटिव साइन आएगा, नेगेटिव नंबर बिग होगा तो नेगेटिव साइन आएगा. राइट क्लास? And if the signs are opposite, means one is positive and one is negative, then there you have to always subtract. Without the sign you will look at the numbers, you will subtract the smaller number from the greater number, and then the sign of the big number. Always keep in mind, whenever you have to add or subtract, you have to put the sign of the big number always, and you have to see that you have to add here or subtract. So if the sign are same, you will add, and if the sign are opposite, means one is positive and one is negative, you will subtract. Let us look at the few examples. See, this is +5 +2. The sign is same, so you have to add 5 and 2. It becomes 7. And the sign of big number here is 5, is positive. So you will write +7 class. Now here this is -5 and this is -2. The sign of 5 is minus and sign is same, so without the sign is 5 and 2. So 5 and 2 you will add, you will write 7. But here this is -7. Now look at this question. Plus 5, class, I have taken the same digits to make you understand the concept where you have to add, where you have to subtract, and which sign you have to put. Listen to my words very carefully. You will surely not face any problem, class. Now see here, this is plus 5 minus 2. The opposite signs are there. So you will subtract 2 from 5. This becomes 3. Now the sign of 5 here is plus. Right? Now here, one number is negative, one is positive, means opposite sign. Again we have to subtract. 5 minus 2 becomes 3. But here the sign of 5 is negative. So you have to write minus sign. So minus 5 plus 2 becomes minus 3. Minus 2 plus 5. बिग नंबर पहले या बाद में होने से कोई फ़र्क नहीं है क्लास, रूल वही रहेगा, ध्यान से देखिए फिर से. माइनस 2 प्लस 5, अपोजिट साइन सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, 5 में से 2 गया 3, एंड हेयर द साइन ऑफ 5 इज पॉजिटिव, सो दिस विल बी प्लस 3 क्लास. गेट इट? नाउ दिस एंड दिस बोथ आर एग्जैक्टली द सेम. कुछ भी हमने पहले या बाद में लिखा हुआ है, बट द क्वेश्चन इज सेम. हेयर ऑल्सो 2 minus 5 it becomes minus 3. Class, I hope you all understood this very well. Please read it again and understand it very well, because this is very important concept of integers. Without this you can not able to do any maths problem. So please understand this very well, that this is the reason why I am telling you it again and again. Now look at the rules of the multiplication, class. In the case of multiplication, the rules of the multiplication and division are same, class. And class, always remember, if the question is of multiplication, you have to multiply there, and if the question is of division, you have to divide there. What thing you have to take care is of the sign, which sign you have to put. Remember class, if the both numbers are of same sign, means both are positive or both are negative, you will put the positive sign. And if the sign are different, means one is positive, another is negative, then you will put the negative sign. Same sign positive product, opposite sign negative product. Always remember class, please remember these two things कि addition और subtraction के rules क्या हैं और multiply और divide के क्या हैं. So here you will see this is minus 7 multiplied by minus 3. The sign of both the numbers is negative. So what you will write? Positive answer will come, and this is 7 3s are 21. Get it class? You can write only 21 also, because there is no need to write plus sign. Here this is, one is negative, one is positive. So this is minus 100. Get it? 3 multiplied by minus 8. Positive, negative. So here you will write minus 24. 3 8s is 24, 8 3s is 24. 8 multiplied by minus 3. Again minus 24. Minus 4, minus 5, both negative. Again positive product. Now see class, if you have to multiply more than 2 numbers and the numbers are negative there, what you can do there class, you will count the negative sign 1 2 3. So how many negative sign are there? 3, and 3 is a odd number. So here the product will come negative, and this will be 4 5s are 20 and 22s are 40 क्लास. देखिए क्लास, माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, फिर प्लस माइनस माइनस. तो इस तरीके से भी आप देख सकते हैं, और डायरेक्ट आप ऑड और इवन से भी देख सकते हैं. हेयर दिस इज माइनस 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 4 टाइम्स. सो इवन नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स मीन्स पॉजिटिव प्रोडक्ट. सो हेयर 4 5s are 20, 22s are 40, 41s are 40, and the sign will be positive, बिकॉज द नेगेटिव साइन इज इवन नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे पॉजिटिव, और पॉजिटिव मल्टीप्लाई बाई पॉजिटिव नंबर इज पॉजिटिव. नाउ सी, ऑड नंबर्स ऑफ negatives negative product, even number of negatives positive product. I hope class you understood this very well. Please revise it again and again and do it very well class. Thank you.